In this video, we are going to see that if you want to customize your Google Chrome avatar into a custom picture of yourself, how we can do that. So for that, you need to make sure that you have synced the Google account properly. So here it is synced to my account. That's why it's not showing a sync option. You can also just click on the stop option and click on turn on the sync, and it will automatically connect to your Google account. After that, you just click on this change profile picture on this little camera sign, and you can add a profile picture. First of all, we have some illustrations. You can change it to anything you want, and otherwise you can just select one from your computer as well, or you can take your own picture live. So let's say this is the picture that I want to attach. You can set it, zoom it however we want. Click on next, click on save as profile picture, and that is done. The profile picture is now updated. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.